In today's video, we'll test your vocabulary with none other than Abhishek Bachchan. There are a total of 12 questions and all of these belong to the intermediate and advanced levels. So if you're a beginner, this video might not be suitable for you. Having said that, you can still watch it as you learn some amazing vocabulary words. So without any delay, let's get started.
And filled with exuberance and zest.
What is the meaning of the word exuberance? Arrogance, anxiety, excitement. The correct answer is excitement. For example, she walked into the interview with such exuberance that the panelists were extremely impressed.
You don't have to be obnoxious about it.
An obnoxious person is rude, shy, careless. The correct answer is rude. For example, he is talented, but he gets extremely obnoxious during meetings.
But I still had one or two apprehensions.
In this sentence, apprehensions are doubts, expectations, fears or worries. The correct answer is fears or worries. Apprehensions means fears about something bad happening in the future. For example, I have a few apprehensions about moving to a new city by myself.
Maybe my sense of humor is a bit warped.
The word warped means childish, playful, strange. The correct answer is strange. The word warped can be used to describe something strange and unpleasant. For example, she had a warped sense of relationships.
And I feel this younger generation today of actors are very conscientious of time.
What is the meaning of the word conscientious? Conscious, careless, responsible. The correct answer is responsible. A conscientious person is somebody who is careful and responsible. For example, she's a conscientious student who always double checks her work.
Every time any women's sports person achieves something audacious,
An audacious person is somebody who shows off constantly, who acts carelessly, or is willing to take risks. The correct answer is willing to take risks. For example, launching a startup right after college was an audacious decision.
And your child will see that, emulate that.
To emulate means to criticize, to ignore, to copy. The correct answer is to copy or imitate someone. For example, young athletes often emulate their sporting heroes.
I've known him for very many years and he's a very loving, gregarious character.
Yeah.
A gregarious person is somebody who is reserved, generous, sociable. The correct answer is sociable. A gregarious person is somebody who likes to be around people. For example, my sister is so gregarious that she makes friends everywhere she goes.
Facetious.
You're too facetious? Yeah. Who says that to you?
My family.
What is the meaning of the word facetious? Blunt, emotional, unserious. The correct answer is unserious. A facetious person is somebody who does not consider a serious matter as important and takes it in a funny manner. For example, he was being facetious when he suggested we skip the exam and go on a holiday.
I had a very acrimonious relationship with a lot of the reviewers.
The word acrimonious means awkward, angry, complicated. The correct answer is angry. The word acrimonious can be used to describe something that is full of anger and arguments. For example, the divorce turned into an acrimonious legal battle.
I was brazen about it.
The word brazen means shameless, confident, nervous. The correct answer is shameless. For example, she made a brazen attempt to take credit for somebody else's work.
I don't want to sound disparaging to anyone.
What is the meaning of the word disparaging? Belittling, discouraging, judgmental. Correct answer is belittling. It means to make somebody feel less important or valuable. For example, the coach was careful not to sound disparaging about the losing team. This brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to leave your scores in the comment section below. If you liked the video, then don't forget to like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Keep unscrewing English with me and I'll see you next time.